everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk a little bit about working in a remote environment with teammates across time zones. Companies since the pandemic are moving more and more towards remote and distributed working. Here are some tips and tricks that might enable your teams to move fast and work effectively. Number 1. Come up with an agreement with the team of when different types of meetings should happen, whether they're team meetings or one-on-ones or even one-offs. Block off a common time that works for everyone to meet. Number 2. Everyone may have different communication preferences. Get to know each of your teammates' preferences and respect those. Some may prefer reading through a document and adding their feedback and thoughts async. Others might prefer a quick one-on-one video call. Do what makes the most sense for your team as well as individually. Number 3. When in doubt, over-communicate. Chances are there are going to be people that can't make every single meeting. So make sure that you have agenda items, notes, decisions, and any follow-ups communicated to the entire team to keep them all in the loop. I hope this helps.